This is the Chef Depot stainless steel meat grinder assembly. This unit will fit a number 12 style hub, Hobarts, Berkels, Globes, and others. Many different kinds of grinders and motor housing units. All stainless steel, high quality, in stock at your sponsor. And that is chefdepot.com. And here we have our stainless steel version of the meat grinder attachment. I'll show you what's in the box here. This is the food pan. This is the all stainless steel grinder head. Wow, thing's massive. Very nice, very heavy duty, high quality, all stainless steel. Extra plate, comes with 2 plates, a coarse and a medium. Pusher and sausage funnel. Okay. Nice. All stainless steel. Food pan. Fits right in. Okay. Plunger. Fits right in. Stuffing tube fits right on the end right there when you're ready to run it through again and add the casing, make your own sausages. Good stuff. This is the high quality stuff you're looking for. In stock, chefdepot.com. I've got 3 burgers here. This burger is the one that I made in the burger press. This burger is ground chuck from one of the big chains, Kasi or something like that. And this burger is one of those frozen little hockey pucks you get in a box. So think about this next time you're craving a fresh grilled hamburger. What would you rather eat? All right, and then visit the website. Everything's in stock, great deals, and there's always something you could use. I mean, look at that maple cutting board. If you don't have one of these, visit the chefs. Everything's chef tested. Again, that's chefdepot.com. Our burger press. This is pretty cool. It's non-stick cast aluminum. It's got a cool texture and pattern to it. You lift it up and you can adjust the nut right here to change the thickness